Welcome back, beautiful family. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious Loroco patties that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Amazing Loroco patties. These are the ingredients. Half of a large onion, eggs, tomato, 2 garlic cloves, chicken bouillon, black pepper, chicken broth, of course the star, the Loroco flour, and queso fresco. This is everything we need to prepare this amazing and delicious Loroco patties. So let's get started. Here I want to start, of course, making my amazing sauce for the Loroco patties. I'm going to start with my onion. I'm just going to chop it just a little bit before I add it to my blender. I have my tomatoes here. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to add everything to my blender. And of course, I'm adding my chicken bouillon, my black pepper, and the chicken broth. I'm going to add everything here, and I am going to blend it away. It really doesn't take too long. We're going to leave this here. I am going to continue dicing my onion nice and finely so that it really incorporates into the Loroco. Look at this. And of course, I am going to continue with my garlic cloves. I have 2 garlic cloves that I'm going to slice and dice very finely. I really want the garlic to infuse my patties. This looks amazing. I love garlic, so I'm going to go ahead, put it back in this little plate, and this is ready. Once you have your garlic and your onion nice and ready, now let's go to the stove. I have a pan nice and hot. I'm going to add just a little bit of vegetable oil because I want to start cooking the onion and the garlic. Once you see your garlic getting translucent and getting a little bit brown, that's when you know that you need to add your garlic. You're going to go ahead and incorporate it completely. When you start smelling the garlic, that's when you know that it is time to remove it. You don't want to burn the garlic. You just want to start smelling the amazing flavor of the garlic and then remove it. And now that you have it here, let's go to the working table. I have here my Loroco, and let me show it to you. It's really nice and green. It smells amazing, and what I'm going to do is just chop it. You don't want to dice it really small. You just want to dice it chop it so that you still have little pieces of the Loroco, but you don't want the whole piece. So you're just going to go ahead, chop it a little bit, just like that. It doesn't have to be nice and finely chopped. And now I'm going to add it here to this plate. And here I am going to add the onion and the garlic. Let me tell you, my home smells amazing. And now I'm ready to add the Mexican cheese, queso fresco, cacique. I'm adding the queso fresco right on the top. And when you add all your queso fresco, then you are ready to incorporate everything. And I'm going to show you how this looks. This just looks amazing. The smell of the onion and the garlic really penetrates the rest of the ingredients we have here in this plate. Now I'm just incorporating everything, making sure that the queso fresco is all over the ingredients. And now I'm gonna put it aside. I'm gonna help myself with the little plate, and I'm gonna add my eggs. The reason that I'm adding the eggs in another plate is so that one comes out bad, I don't have to throw all the mixture away. Once you have your eggs, scrambled eggs, right on the side, just like that, and you have your Loroco mixture of the onion, garlic, queso fresco, you are ready to pour the egg mixture into the mixture of the Loroco. Incorporate everything really good. Everything needs to be completely covered with the egg. And now, let me tell you, let's go to the stove. I have a pan nice and hot, and we are ready to prepare these patties. On the same pan, I added just a couple of tablespoons of vegetable oil, and now I'm ready to scoop in every patty. Look at this. You could really see the chunks of the Loroco and little pieces of the cheese. You're gonna cook it on each side for about 2 minutes. Look at this. It really smells amazing. And once you cook it for 2 minutes, you're gonna flip them over and cook the other side for about 2 minutes. You want both sides to be nice and golden brown. After the 2 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and remove them, every single one, and I'm going to continue making the rest of the patties. Now that these patties are golden brown, I am going to remove them, and I'm going to add the amazing sauce we made at the beginning. I'm cooking it in medium low heat. We're gonna cook it here, have it reduced just a little bit so it thickens up. And of course, taste your sauce. If it needs a little more of the salt, add a little more. But if it doesn't, look at this. It's getting nice and thick. And now it's been cooking for about 5 minutes. And now I'm ready to add my patties right on the top. When you add your patties, don't overcook them. Just cook them for 2 minutes, and this is going to be ready for you to enjoy. Look how amazing this looks. Of course, it's going to taste delish. And now I have the plate of the presentation. I'm going to add just a little bit of the sauce on the bottom. I'm going to add my patties. Of course, I need to add a little bit of the queso fresco on the top. And I'm going to add a little bit of the flowers of the Loroco. And now my mouth is really watering, and I can't wait to taste. So I'll see you in just a little bit. I am completely done with these amazing Loroco patties. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. You could add some white rice or some Mexican rice, you decide. But I am going to enjoy it just like this. And I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. This is an amazing and delicious patties, Loroco patties, excuse me. The little pieces of the Loroco and the Mexican cheese, just perfection. These patties really come out amazing. Enjoy them with your family like I enjoy them here with mine. Excuse me.
I hope, my friends, you give them a try. You make these amazing Loroco patties at home. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.